power n, that is given by n factorial over s power n plus 1. Here we have to see whether we can bring this one into this pattern, because if we can bring this one into this pattern, inverse Laplace transform is going to be in this pattern, right? Here we have Laplace transform, but if you take the inverse Laplace transform of this one, that's going to give us this. So here for this one, if you take the inverse Laplace transform, it's going to be t power n. So using this one, we can try to bring this one into this pattern. Okay, to bring this pattern, what we have to do is, first we can bring this 8 outside. If I move this 8 to the front, and then if we write Laplace inverse, and this is going to be 1 over s power 4. Now here you can see, here we have s power n plus 1. So if I just remove 1, like here we can write this one as 3 plus 1. So therefore n is 3. So we have to have this n factorial in the numerator, right? Here we have 1. So to make this one n factorial, what we have to do is, in our case n is 3 right here. So we have to put the same factorial, 3 factorial. But if we multiply this one by 3, we have to divide this one by 3 as well, because we are just putting something that does not exist. So we have to, if we multiply, we have to divide this one as well. So this is going to be 8 over 3 factorial Laplace inverse of this one. So finally, if we simplify this one, 8 over 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, 3 times 2, that's 6. And then Laplace inverse of 3 factorial over this one is going to be t power n. In our case, n is 3, so this is going to be just t cube. Laplace inverse is t cube. So this is going to be just 4 over 3 t cube, and that's going to be the inverse Laplace transform of 8 over s power 4, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.